Sailboat Sailors Association and the San Diego Maritime Museum. Our condition, if we restore it and use it as a living history memorial to the 10 American slipboat sailors who died in slipboat service during the Vietnam War, and 7 Maltese sailors who died during the worst peacetime accident in Malta that happened in September of 1984, when the sister craft in this boat had confiscated a load of fireworks, and they somehow ignited and exploded and killed 7 out of the 8 people aboard. It looks like we've come into Navy territory, not quite true. We are actually coming by the civilian shipyards, Continental Maritime, BAE Systems, and General Dynamics NASSCO, the National Steel and Shipbuilding